Hello, and welcome, one and all. David Bradley here. I'm your host, searching for a screwdriver. It should be a Phillips screwdriver. Holy mama. Remember these things, these joystick things, that's what I'm looking inside. Or, the plastic the screws screw into plastic. The plastic has been there for, it's like between 40 and 50 years old. So it's kind of stiff. Anyway, it may be that there's something that can be done. It may be that literally a wire inside has fallen off. Or it may not be. It may be the switch is no good. And it may be I might not be able to get into it. Come on, let go. Or there's really, there's another screw in there. I wonder if someone has tried to get in and strip the screw. And that would be tragic. Oh my word. Oh. That's a no fun. Because that means we're going nowhere in a hurry. Okay, we're in. That is not coming. See, I've got everything else loose, the other three. Maybe if I smack it some, but I don't think so. I wonder if I need to find a different screwdriver that I can get a little more oomph onto, or maybe, see, this is difficult because it's hard to get it onto the table to get more oomph behind it. And to me, it feels like it's stripped. Well, there comes a time with some things where you have to say, oh well, it works. It just doesn't completely work. You know what? I don't think I'm going to get that out of there. And at the moment, this is pretty fine. Just doesn't work. Completely. But it works. All right. Sometimes you just gotta walk away, walk away, walk away. Okay. I'll get everything nice and tight. Oh, that one is the one that won't come. That's tight. That's tight. That could be a little tighter. Well, how does this feel? Yeah, this feels good. So, and I'm not going to be able to get in there. Oh well. That's the way it is at this moment. What have I done? Anyway, not bad. I would not feel bad with this, but this is just worn. Like it's whatever's supposed to hold it. It just doesn't. Before I take all the screws out, I'm going to see if I can get them all kind of loosened off. And indeed, it seems that I can with this. Now, I don't know what's in there exactly, that is, but I know there's something in there. And I also know that in the box right here, underneath where I record from, there should be another joystick like it. So I could possibly think about a transplant of some sort. I could. But right now, I don't think I want to go through that operation. I don't. Anyway, not bad. Not bad, considering all things. Now, I wish I could see the monitor better. I wish I could, because then I could actually play and have a try at getting some kind of a reasonable score. But I can't. So I won't. I should continue to do more tidying. I should. So I can get the other pet in here and start working on it. That's what I should do. Oh, what the heck. You know, if I turn that pet around. Oh, I'm not plugged in. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. I'm not plugged in. That would do it. Why can't I'm having great trouble? I just want to be pointed sideways. That's all, sideways. Oh well, I'm on an angle. There, got that. Got that. Might get that. Might even get that. Nope. No. That did not go well. Okay, at least I can see over here. But why can't I just get it nicely pointed sideways? And I don't know why. Oh, there, I did. But now I need to go up. And I die. Oh, this is not going well. Missed the line. It's going to put me over here. I'm not going to be able to see. It's a disaster. Maybe. Oh, right between them. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see, and I'm going to die. Okay, well, that's enough of that. Whew. Anyway, not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm going to turn this off and see about moving more things to get them out of the way and see what else I do now. I shall see what I do now. It is. Let's get on. What do we have? We have a text message. What is this? What is this? Oh. Okay. What do we got? Not much. Okay. So, I think I might plug that in and see about moving more stuff. And right now, I'm getting tired. I have not been feeling that well. Maybe I'll go to the store. Maybe. Maybe I'll have a nap. Anyway. Thanks for coming. It's very stormy here. Very stormy. Very stormy. Yeah. All right. That was fun. All right. Thanks for coming. We'll see you again. Bye for now.